All right. So I think we should be good and ready to go, Leah. I'm full. Just
Okay,
let's have fun.
so once I click enter now, anyone else who will use the link to register will be able to play the game, but he will not be able to participate in the competition. So only the people that are registered right now. Okay?
And one more comment. We would have 4 different breakout rooms. Oh, somebody said, how do I register? Um, so if you noticed with Gemini, can you quickly send the link again, please?
Yes, that's what
So
I'll
that,
do.
thank you. So you'll see us send this link one more time. This is the final one. Please go ahead right now before, once we get it started, it will be too late. So please do it right now, please. And Jemima, I just made you a co-host also. If I missed any of our moderator, please let me know real quick. All right, so quickly register. Let's give you 2 more minutes, please, so that we can make sure everybody's registered. Let's give you 2 more minutes. And don't worry, once we are done with the hackathon, when we announce the winner, Leah will debrief us on what was expected so that some of you, in case you get stuck, you have the situational awareness of what you should have done. All right, cool. Are we good? Let's give them, how long does it take to register? Let's say another 1 minute, then we kick off. All right. So we kick off 6:36 on the dot, ladies and gentlemen. We have 4 groups. Within your group, if you have a question, one of the moderators will just go in to assist you. We would not give you the answer directly, so but we would guide you. All right.
Hi,
I
Leah,
think it's
how
fair to
many?
say, yeah,
Okay.
go ahead.
I just wanted to confirm from Leah how many people we currently have.
Oh, registered?
You're muted. Yeah. Leah, your mic is muted.
We have 55 people so far.
Okay,
Okay.
good. So for everybody else, we have 80 something here. Please go ahead and register. We want you to also be able to win something, really.
I'm
Why not?
trying to register, but it's rejecting my registration.
Oh, really? What's the comment? Do you know? Do you know what's the comment is giving you? Anyone else struggling with registering?
Yes.
Are we supposed to see Santa's hat already? Oh, okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
You should not, because we've not kicked it off. But for those of us, can you check a different browser real quick, if you don't mind? If that would help you. Just follow the link and the instruction. You should be fine.
The email and the password, is that a password for Skillweed?
No, it shouldn't be. I think any email can be
Yes,
used to
it's the
register.
password.
Yeah, because that's why I'm using, but it keeps saying no.
The password should have been sent to your email.
The password is sent to your email.
Oh,
Check
okay.
from Cympire. Password is sent to you. So that is what you use to log on.
Okay, let me check my email.
And feel free, just check your email. We want to give you guys a fair chance so that you can at least participate. If we can get all of you here participating, that would be great. You know, we can learn together. Anyone else struggling with the registration before we get started? I want to give you a fair chance. Okay, I think we can get started. Leah, it's okay. We just, and don't feel bad if you, I know, just be part of the process to learn at least. Okay, so don't feel bad. Okay. Let's just get started. Thank you, Leah. And you will notice I'll put you all in a group. Once Leah gives me the green button, and I will just create a group. You'll see every one of us you'll be assigned automatically to a group. So just start working from there. Leah, let me know when you want me to create a group.
1 second. Okay, everyone can refresh their pages. You should be able to see Santa on the tile. Okay, it's still not available to play. It's gonna take about 1 or 2 minutes. This is your chance to go get some water or coffee, and then hover on top of the tile and click on join, and you're in the game.
All right, once you guys are in the game, Leah will give me a green light and I'll just create a group and you'll just start working.
I think we can open the groups now.
Okay, all right,
The game is active.
awesome. You guys will hear a little 30 seconds quiet. Don't run away. It's just the process, okay? All right, let's go.
Okay, so you want me to explain what you need, like how to engage with the platform?
Yes, like I'm pretty lost.
Okay, no problem. So the first thing you need to do is to read the upper part. The upper part is giving you an idea of what industry we're talking about and what is your role. So over here it says that we received an intelligence report that Santa's new supplier is going to deliver a malware or something not good for us. Our intelligence is working hard to uncover more details, but this supplier is no dummy. Now, now it tells us that we have a secret agent that is going to help us. So we read the first part. You can scroll down. Not here, just scroll with your pointer or, yeah. You have a short video, but you don't have to watch it. So now you have the first target. The first target is basically giving you a little bit more information. So the first target says, one of our deep cover agents embedded within the terrorist organization has sent us a clue, but we don't understand it. Can you discover the hidden meaning within the secret communication before it's too late? Submit your answer in the answer tab. So scroll down. Now we're getting to the actual task, what we need to do. Mission. That's the first mission that we have. That's the first actual question. And it says this, our deep cover agent has published this flyer. We assume this is the only way she can get secret information to us. If we can find who is the artist, we can make progress and her efforts will not have been in vain. So we say they're basically saying we have a deep cover agent. She's trying to deliver us a message. She encrypted that message. If we find out who the artist is, we will be able to move on. They provide us with the link for an image. So what you need to do is copy the link. Okay. Put it open it on the website. Okay, just a new URL. Copy paste it, and you will have an image. I think you already have it in your tab open called
I
hidden.
tried. It's not opening. Oh, 1 second.
You need to go all the way to the top, open a new tab, and paste it there.
Okay.